Before you start your compressor, don't forget to observe safe working practices and follow all local work safety requirements and regulations. That also means wearing the necessary personal protective equipment. Prepare the electrical connection to the grid. Take note of your grid's available current. Also ensure that the cabling and fuses meet the requirements described in the instruction book. Now you can connect the power cable to the compressor. Make sure that the main switch is in the off position to ensure you can work safely. Connect the power cable to your mobile compressor. Make sure it is attached securely. Now, follow the procedure to start the compressor. Open the hood of your unit. Check the oil level. Next, do the same for the coolant level. Empty the dust trap of the air filter. Now, close the hood of the mobile compressor. Time to connect a hose to the air outlet of the compressor. Don't forget to use a whip check. Turn the main switch to the on position. Make sure you wear adequate hearing protection before starting the unit. Switch on the controller of the unit. On that controller, enter the available power of your grid. Next, enter the desired working pressure. Start the unit by pressing the green button. Let the unit warm up. You can now load the unit. To do so, push the load button on the controller. Open the air outlet valve and you're ready to start working.